saya buat kenyataan 2 minggu lepas saying that this is sekarang jadi krisis dah. Nama-nama besar macam ni, Kedah, Perak, Pahang, or whatever they call now, the club equivalent kan. Untuk mereka menarik diri daripada liga tempatan. Ini bukan klub picisan. Ini klub yang ada tradisi, yang ada sejarah, yang ada pedigree. And if they are going, and we know other clubs, walaupun kata nak main dalam musim yang akan datang, ada masalah kewangan. Ada yang belum bayar staff, belum bayar gaji. Saya kenal ramai terlibat. Is there a way out of it?
Malaysia masih tidak ada budaya bola sepak. It's not strong enough. It really isn't strong enough. I think we can talk about club needing to manage spending, perlu mengikut budget, no need to overspend, because that's the reality of bola sepak Malaysia kan. Kelab-kelab kalau ada budget 80 juta, dia spend 90 juta on gaji sahaja. Belum ambil kira operational cost, belum ambil kira travel and all the other stuff. There's a culture of overpaying, overcompensating dalam Malaysian football. Everything is awal musim, apa target kita? Oh, 1 piala, 2 piala, 1 piala. There is nothing about sustainability 3 tahun ke, those things we rarely hear, with the exception of clubs like JDT, of course, Selangor and all that. But putting all of that aside, benda paling basic is the clubs in Malaysia don't even make an effort to create some sort of sense of belonging. Because how long more, berapa lama lagi kita akan cuba guilt trip penyokong untuk sokong pasukan lokal. Kita akan cuba marah, guilt trip them or be sarcastic about them, tengok EPL tapi tak nak sokong local team. How long more are we going to do all these things to convince people to watch local football instead of genuinely building a sense of connection dengan diorang that makes them want to support? Because I realize that in places like Bandung in Indonesia, they don't support Persib Bandung because they want Liga 1 to be prosperous. Mereka tidak menyokong Persib Bandung untuk bola sepak Indonesia jadi prosperous. Some of them couldn't even care less about Timnas or care less about the health of Liga 1. They support Persib Bandung because Persib Bandung is a part of their identity.